Good morning, my beautiful people. How y'all doing today? It's 8:37 a.m. and I have to hurry up because I have to work and like go work out and stuff. We're gonna make my favorite smoothie, my favorite breakfast smoothie that keeps me full for like the entire day, and it's absolutely amazing. I lost so much weight in like 1 week because of this. Because it's so healthy and it keeps you full, so you won't eat, but at the same time you'll be nourished, because something else is in your body. So we have some frozen pineapples here. I've had these for like 6 months, and like I didn't know what to do with them, and then I figured out the best recipe ever. So usually I put like a handful. I'm just gonna grab some with my hands here. Maybe like this much. I don't actually measure my food unless it's like super complicated. I've never done it before, but yeah, pretty much this much. Okay, that's for one person. And then we're gonna add an entire avocado. I never have an entire avocado for breakfast, but this is gonna be worth it. So this is how I cut an avocado. Gordon Ramsay actually taught me that. So what he does is that he cuts the avocado in half, just like that, and then twists it, opens it up. There you go. And so you would just like cut it like this into cubes, as you can see, and we scoop up the avocado and just put it wherever we want to put that. At the same time, I'm having rose water with ice water because I've been feeling a little dehydrated in the morning. Okay, so I'm just gonna cube it, just like that. All right, and then scoop it into my smoothie mix. This is literally gonna be the best smoothie you're ever gonna have. All right, so next thing is, we want to make it as nutritious as possible. I like to add these kind of seeds whenever I can. These are flax seeds. Usually I would add like maybe like a tablespoon. Again, I don't measure my food, so just like eyeballing it. All right, so the reason I add like flax seed in my smoothie is because apparently you should eat flax seeds when they're crushed, and that's when they're healthiest. So I'll just leave it to my smoothie blender to crush that out. And then I add a dash of pure vanilla essence. And you don't have to add honey, but I like to add a little bit of organic honey in there. So maybe like half a tablespoon, whatever you want. But I mean, don't make it a lot because the pineapple is sweet in and of itself. Next thing is, this is gonna be the base. So I usually add whole organic milk in there. But I have this kefir that I bought and that I like, but is giving me a stomach ache. So I'm gonna try this in my smoothie. I may not like it. I do not recommend using it because I don't know what it's gonna taste like. But I ask you to fill basically the rest of your smoothie with whole milk. So it has to be full fat, okay? If you can't afford organic, that's fine. Just full fat is fine, okay? So next thing is, I usually add a tablespoon of peanut butter in there and honey. Woo! That is the best thing ever, but I'm out of peanut butter. So next thing is, we are going to add a pinch of salt. Trust me, this will make a difference. Just a little bit, just a teeny, just okay, and then last but not least, we will need spinach. I usually eat organic spinach, but they were out of organic spinach in the supermarket, so I got normal spinach. So filled with pesticides, but it's okay, it's not like a habit of mine, but at least like have some spinach, regardless if it's organic or not. So usually I just put a handful like that in there, but first we're gonna have to wash them, so I'll be right back. I have it when I need to work out. When I was younger, so when I went basically swimming in the Pacific Ocean, I was, I think, 22, 23. I used to have like protein powder and stuff, but it was so unhealthy that it basically made my skin break with acne and I always had a headache afterwards, and it was just full of sugar, and I was just never satisfied taste-wise with my smoothie. But this is something else, guys. I mean it. I am honest, like as honest as I could be. I have literally never tasted a better smoothie, like homemade, than this one. You've seen everything I put in there. It's all super like healthy superfood stuff. So just gonna mix it up a little bit, just like that, and then blend it. Isn't this like the most beautiful color in the world? Ah! Love it. So I like to help my blender out sometimes and just give it an extra push. All right, this is the most gorgeous color in the world. Imagine all the nutrients that make up this color that you're gonna put into your body in the morning on an empty stomach. Come on, folks. That is the life. So don't tell anyone I'm out of clean cups for this morning. So I'm gonna use my water cup because it's transparent and it's gonna show you the final result. Check this beauty out. I cannot take this anymore. I cannot look at things like that and not have a reaction. It's just not possible. Oh my God. I'm like thrilling right now. Look at this baby right here. Yes, 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 yes. This is what life is all about. You have life in one cup, and this is what life is about. Having the entire earth in your cup. The hell did I just say? Sometimes I get so passionate about food that I get so become so unrealistic. Like once I got so passionate about barbecue meats that I started calling them jewels. And there was this like Portuguese chicken marinated mix that I basically told my family while we were barbecuing in summer. I was like, hey, aren't we gonna have the dessert? Which was the barbecue chicken. Oh gosh. Okay, so you can either eat this baby with a spoon, or you can just drink it up, you know, depending on whether you did your dishes or not. All right, I'm gonna have this in front of you. It's good. I like it. It's better with milk, but because I used fermented milk, it tastes like yogurty. I think I prefer the milk taste, but this is very delicious. It's amazing. It has the creamy taste of avocado. When you blend avocado with milk, it just becomes this yummy, 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 healthy type of ice cream texture vibe. It's so good. So healthy. It's gonna keep you full because it's full of fat, the good fat. When you blend in some spinach, it tastes like greenery, like grass in your smoothie, which is amazing. It has this like nutty taste. And then when you add pineapple on top of that, it's gonna be like citrusy vibe-ish. It's so good. I love it. I'm so happy. I'm gonna enjoy this and then go work out because I gotta start my day. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!